my name is Phil. I'm with World Construction Solutions. I'm going to show you the easiest way to measure your pins for your buckets. Framing square, piece of metal at 90-degree angle on it. Square piece of metal. Right above this video on there, you'll see a form that you can print out. You can do this either on your phone, iPad, computer, or you can print the form out, write it down, and enter it later. We're going to start out with the square in this to measure. And front pin A, which is between the two ears. So what you do is you put the square on here, hold the metal square on the other end, and you get your measurement, which this one is 8.5 inches. So I'll put 8.5. Next one is B, which is pin diameter. So come up here, and I'll do the same thing. I'll hold my metal square on the end of here until it feels square. Get that nice and straight and neat, and it is 2.5 inches. Okay, next one is C, on center between the pins. The best way to do this is not try to measure the center pin, but measure one end of the pin and the same end of the next pin, which comes out to 18.25 inches. So again, same side, same side. That gives you the same as being on center. So we'll write down under C, 18.25 inches. Okay, D is for the hole in the pin, or the hole in the bucket for your pin. Here's the hole right there. This one I weld the pins in, but just the same thing again. Hold your square on the inside of the boss or the ear. Square up the end of it and line that up with the center of the hole, which works right about there, and that is on this one 3.25 inches. Now this could be off a ½ inch, so don't be too careful. It doesn't matter if the pin moves back and forth a little bit, but we'll put down 3.25, so that was as close as we are. 3.25. Okay, and the last one is, how big is the bolt that has to go in here? So I can measure that real quick, and it's hard to see, but it looks like 9/16, so it's probably a ½ inch bolt. Well, it's better to have a bigger hole than a smaller hole, so I'm just going to say 9/16. We'll make it a little bit bigger than that, it'll be safe. Now your next line is the rear pin. Well, if everything's the same, you have nothing to fill out. Everything is the same on these. You can do a quick check where you're going. I mean, I advise you to check, make sure you're right. 8.5. 8.5. I know it's the same size pin. I know the holes in the same spot. So that's the simplest way I know how to measure the bucket. Please send in your form, and any questions, just contact us. We'll be glad to help you.